gratitude for the presence of the following persons. Of course, my fellow commissioners in the National Amnesty Commission, Attorney Jamar Gulayan and Attorney Sermin Liao, Undersecretary Angelito De Leon of the Department of National Defense is a very active member. And then Executive Director Cesar Dimesa, sir, thank you very much for coming. Of the Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity. Undersecretary Alan Tanhusay of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing the very important information you gave. And then, of course, we have the Deputy Director, General Nestor Erico of the National Security Council, National Intelligence Coordinating Agency. We have been meeting in several occasions. Then, of course, Director Alexander Umpar of the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict. We had been together even in the 1900s because of the peace process. Forest Director Arnulfo Ferdinand Bazarin of the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict. And Governor Angel Amante, the beautiful provincial governor of Agusan del Sur, Attorney Nadia Emmanuel Ibe, that was a beautiful welcome to our Mayor of Cataruluan, Misamis Oriental, Regional Prosecutor Merlin Barula Tuy, the Department of Justice, my colleague in the Department of Justice, Regional Prosecutor Janice Dalisay Fabrero, the Department of Justice, also my colleague, the Regional Prosecutor John Magdarao, the Department of Justice. He is my schoolmate and we have a lot of common friends. Ibig sabihin, magkasalitan na kami. And then of course, Pasip Abbas, also known as Janati Mimbantas, member of the Parliament, Bangsamoro Transition Authority, Commander, MILF Northern Mindanao Front. And I am proud to tell everyone that he is one of the first amnesty grantees. Major General Michelle Anayron, good evening, sir. He's Commander, 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army. Police Brigadier General Jose Lito Clarito, Deputy Regional Director for Administration, Police Regional Office 10. Of course, we have Regional Director Bruce Colau of the ILG, good evening, sir. And of course, we have a representative from UNDP, Winston Ayamer Camarinas. Good evening, sir. So today, it is with great pleasure that I congratulate all our 16 recipients of amnesty certificates tonight. For this is a milestone that signals the start of a new life for all of these grantees. At the same time, this also manifests the government's promise to give them a second chance. The shift from the life of the rebel to a mainstream member of our community without fear of being apprehended, anytime being questioned and walking like a marked man, overcome with fear and anxiety most of the time. Tonight, our grantee will walk free, free from the shadows of doubt and anxiety with friends and families. Like what we have in Butuan City, one of our applicants were given the safe conduct pass said, makapag-malling na ako kasama ng aking pamilya. There is a whole new promise ahead of you. And just like the rest of you, we all wish that everyone among you will find the way and the firm decision to change direction. Yun ang sabi kanina ni Mayor, pa-amnesty ka because this is a reset button. And embrace the life of peace as the government is offering the peace branch for all of you. Life is short. We all know that. Many things happen in the span of hours, days, weeks, or months. Sooner we ask ourselves, especially in the stage of our life, did I live a worthy life? But we are not that blessed sometimes that we can make a reset of our lives. Sometimes the years catch up with us without us making any revision of the past that we have done. So, sometimes our time is up and we have not made any renewal of what we want to do. Do we wait until it is too late before we make a decision? This time, it is here and now. No ifs, no buts. So thank you very much for these 16 grantees for making the decision to reset your life. Surely your family members, your friends are all behind you in this. We thank everyone who was involved in this to encourage these 16 grantees to make a reset of their lives. Those who reached out and made all these things possible, including our lab secretariat and our lab members. So once again, good evening at Mabuhay tayo.